Win a Honda Jazz this Wednesday. Aisha and her friends are enjoying life at Resorts World Genting. Wednesdays are especially awesome as they stand to win a Honda Jazz in the Jazzy Wednesday contest. This weekly contest is open to all Genting Rewards members, and there are other great prizes to be won too. Aisha can certainly use a brand new car.
Wow.
Taking part is easy. Just spend 100 ringgit at Resorts World Genting to earn a contest voucher. Whether it's on dining, shopping, your accommodation or more. On the same day you spend, go to any nearby iKiosk to print out your voucher. Just skip to the main page. Click Earn and Redeem and look for Jazzy Wednesday. You can earn up to 5 vouchers a week to increase your chances. When Wednesday arrives, drop your vouchers into a contest box before 4 p.m. and be present at the contest venue at 8 p.m. where the winners will be announced. Will Aisha's wish come true? Yes! She manages to win the Honda Jazz. You can too. Take part in Jazzy Wednesday.